Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am so excited today because I have not one, not two, but three LPS packages to open. I am so excited. Like, I thought these were all gonna get here at different times, but they all came here on the same day and I'm like, what? So yeah, this is gonna be awesome. So what's gonna happen is this is gonna be a 3-part series. I'm going to go ahead and open these up on camera now, and then I'll just release 3 separate videos for each LPS and art video or whatever. So let's jump into it. I'm going to open up this big one right here first because it's just big and I want to open it now. So this first package I'm pretty sure is the 3 LPS I got. It is a poodle, I think a fennec fox, and I think a gerbil came with her, and then what was the other one? Did I really forget that quick? I don't remember. Gosh, yeah, I get so many, guys, I'm losing track. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the one with 3 of them in there. If I can get it open, oh my goodness. Not making it easy on me at all. There we go. Oh, just had to crop that out though, that's my address on there. Brilliant. Oh gosh, packing peanuts. That's gonna make a mess. Yay! I'm gonna have to clean this up later. Actually, I'm gonna see if I can just dump it in the trash can. I'll be right back. Oh, I was not okay, that is shocking. You guys. Oh my god. You guys. I thought there were 3 LPS in this box. It's just 1 LPS. I was not expecting that. Like, this box was filled with peanuts and all was in it was this shark. Are you serious? Well, it was well protected. Alright, well that was interesting. That's hilarious. Okay, so that is so funny. Okay, I think the reason they packed it so well like that is because the title of the eBay listing said it was rare. And I guess it is now. There weren't very many listings for this LPS, and the ones that were there, they were all like freaking 15 bucks. So that's kind of how much I paid for this little cutie. Isn't it adorable? Like, I love this shark. It is just so cute. Like, there are other ones out right now that are like slightly different. Doesn't look quite like this, but and they're a lot cheaper for like 3 or 4 bucks. But I really wanted this one because I just think this one is the cutest out of all of them. And I mean, come on, if it's like rare or hard to get, you kind of just want it. That's kind of it too, like you want what you can't have kind of thing. And I was like, no, I want this one. I have to have this shark, this version of the shark, like the original one. The sad thing is though, I actually had one of these once before. I bought it for myself because it was so cute. Then I have a really good friend who really likes sharks. So I gave it to them and I said, oh, I'll just get another one, you know, whenever. And I never did. This was like, I guess 3 years ago now when I gave them the shark that I had. That was this exact same one. And I never got around to getting myself another one off of eBay. So now it's gotten rare and expensive. So yeah. Because the first one I got, I think it was like what, like 5 bucks off of eBay, and now they're going for like 15. So yeah, but this is so cute. This is the best one out of all of them, in my opinion. I just love this shark so much. So cute, so cute. I just cannot get over that. This was the only thing in that box. That is hilarious. Like, I'm gonna give them 5 stars on eBay for like the care and attention and love they put into putting this LPS in a box like that to get it protected to me, but it's just so funny. Like, I thought sure. So there were 1 LPS in that big box, so that means one of these has 3 LPS in it. What the heck? So yeah, and it's like they're like, I don't know, 100 bucks. So yeah, 1/3 the size, and there's like not all this packing peanuts around them. It's just so funny. But shout out to the seller of this shark. Thank you for getting her to me safely. But yeah, she is super cute. Actually, I'm gonna come in a little bit more. It's like you can't see her details. There we go. And the lighting is just better from this angle. So yeah, she's super duper cute. God, she's perfect. I just love this modern style of the LPS. I love these so much. Like I said in my other video, some of the LPS like benefited so well from this style. Other ones, not so much. They just look really wonky with this, like, I don't know what you call this, like sleek, pointy kind of style they did some of them in. But the shark definitely is a winner in that style. Like, oh, I love it. But yeah, so happy to finally have this in my collection. Or have her back, rather. Yeah. Yeah. There's one other one I want. I want the hammerhead one. That one's really cute. And maybe the dark blue version of this one is really cute also. But there's so many LPS I want. I have to kind of pick and choose sometimes. And this is the one I want from the sharks for now. Was her. So cute, so cute, so cute. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like. This lets me know that you guys are really enjoying this format of the unboxing and art in one. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that little notification bell so that you are the first to know when I release new videos on this channel. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.